Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make salmon Jamaican style full guide. Prepare salmon by trimming and patting dry, then score the fillets lightly and set aside. Mix a vibrant jerk paste of Scotch bonnet, allspice, scallion, thyme, garlic, and lime juice into a paste. Coat the fish evenly and marinate for at least 30 minutes or up to overnight for deeper flavor. Start by handling peppers with care and keep a towel nearby. Wash hands after. Pulse Scotch bonnet, allspice, garlic, scallions, thyme, brown sugar, soy sauce, and lime juice until cohesive. Taste and adjust heat with more or less pepper, and add a splash of oil for smoother texture. Score the salmon's skin lightly every 1 inch to allow marinade to enter and to promote even cooking throughout the fillet. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep sharing recipes. Quick recommendation: make meal prep easy with leak-proof containers seen here. They're perfect for storing marinated salmon and saving messy cleanup. Check the description for the link and other deals if you want them. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Choose your preferred cooking method based on texture and timing. For pan searing, preheat until shimmering, oil the pan and cook skin side down until crisp. Flip and finish in a 375 degrees F oven for 6 to 10 minutes depending on thickness. For grilling, oil grates and cook over medium heat, turning once for nice marks. For baking, place fillet skin side down and roast until just opaque and flaky.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.